Hi guys. If you're new here, this is frickin' Jeep, my mess, and I don't know. That's kind of what it is. We are at the sawmill. I have two sawmills on the property. The big one, and this is the little one. The little one's very fast, nimble. Pew, 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 pew. The big one is very slow and smooth. Which one do I like best? I don't know. I like this one because it's fast for this little stuff. I can saw it pretty fast. The trip over the steps is a lot shorter. And I haven't got no rhythm, no order of sequence or anything on the big one yet, so that's what's going on. So we're going to saw this one. The last board we made 1.5s. The log like this before we made 5/8, 5/8. This one here we're making 1 inch. If things go to plan. I got the taper out just a 1/2 inch on this side. The log at that end is 17 inches. It's 16 at this end. So I open up the taper and split the difference is all I'm doing. It's just the way it is. I don't know really where to put you guys because you can't see it, but there's a lot of crap on the lens. I think I'm just gonna have to put you over there. I could put you here. I think maybe we'll put you here, and I'll try to stay out of the way. I'll try to stay behind the lever. How's that? Well, but then you're going to be in the way when we do what we do. But I think I'll put you here. Put my mittens on. I don't like wearing gloves when I work the saw. There's a bunch of sticky wood starting to get on these belts, which I might run into the same problem that I ran in with that other one. This sticky wood makes it grabby, and this on this one here, the stick is it's only got that much play in it, where the other one's got a 1/2 mile play in it. I can't get those belts to adjust the way I want them. That's one thing. I like this one in that aspect. I like this one when you hit it, it moves very, very quickly. I mean, it's a light little mill. And that other one down there, where this one here, going up and down the track, I probably only have maybe 500 or 600 pounds on it. On the other one right now, especially with that poplar on there, I'm probably pushing closer to 5,000 pounds because the log when I set it on was 4,300 pounds. So I got probably 6,000 pounds on it, and I've probably taken a few hundred pounds off of it. So it's still probably over 5,000 pounds going up and down the train track. So I'm going to go ahead and start the engine, put your ears on, all that kind of nonsense, and we're going to see if we can whittle this one down a little bit too. Also throws a lot of dust up where the one in the front doesn't. That's why I wear this hat. It keeps the dust from going down my back. Now I forget my measurement. I'm going to take my first cut at 15 inches. I guess that's a pretty good spot. I'll try to stay out of the camera. bad. Now I gotta flip it. This probably here. No, because I'm gonna go back to here. I could calculate it better. If I wanted to go to 8, then I go 8 1/4 or 9 1/4, 10 3/4. Yeah, 12 is the right number. There's a knot over there. getting everything sticky. that one. Let me turn this noise off. I might flip it over because I'm working on a slab, a non-slab side, or a whatever you want to call it. This is too close to do my next 1-inch cut, and these go in at crazy intervals, which I can't really show you. The front two, well, they're inch here. The first one is a 2-inch. Let me see if I can't raise this. So your first one, you're supposed to be able to catch a 3/4 board. I don't know. I don't remember what it is, but anyhow, and they got play in them, so you could put something in there and get some of the play out and pull them back and stuff like that. But the problem is here, I can get back into here, but it's into bark, so it's really not going to hold it that good. Down here, okay, I'm into something where you can kind of see it's just not holding it at all. This board's got tension, so it's wanting to crown a little bit. So if I go into the next place, I'm into here, and that's too close to cut a board. Now I can flip it and take a 1-inch board off of it, and I might do that. Put that thing back in. I don't want to take a chance of leaving it out. So I might do that. I'm going to get unsticky it a little bit and get some of the sticky off of some stuff, and cut up the what do you call it back there, the slab wood. I might go ahead and flip this one over and see what I got. See if I can get one more board off of it. See how it's not. You gotta, when you're sawing here, you gotta have a flat underneath here, and I don't have a flat. Here the flat's kind of close. Let's see what we got when we flip it. Oh man, that is so sticky, guys. Probably drop it on my toe. Now you got to take the taper in, put it all the way back. Yeah, it catches it all right. This one, the center one, is the best one. This end one is not too bad either. So I can grab another 1-inch board off of that, and I'll probably do that and do the trims on another video. 20 minutes is long enough. We have right now, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe make that 9, 10, 11, 12 1-inch boards, and we did that in about 20 minutes. I don't remember how much jabbering there was at the beginning. I don't, you know, now that I look at that, you got a big knot there, so that board is probably going to be junk. Yeah, there ain't much point in cutting it, but I guess I'll do it because I do it. Big knot in there, it's not too good. So anyhow, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I got to go get some of the sticky off some stuff, and I'll be back, and the next one we'll take a whack off of that. And remember, there's going to be a sawmilling video, then a wood splitting video, or something other than sawmilling video. I'm trying to flip-flop and trying to get in because this is going to be a week of rain, so I'm kind of screwed there. So do me a favor, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Don't leave me a comment. I know I better say it now. Do not leave me a comment on how close I get to this blade. You can touch that blade anywhere you want while it's running. All it is smooth as glass, okay? You just don't want to touch right here. Okay, so if I go in like that, I'm losing a finger. If I go in like that, it doesn't make any difference at all. You can touch that all day long. You'll see a lot of sawyers that saw will be running full speed, and they'll be touching that blade to see if it's getting warm, because if it gets warm, you can't saw. And yeah, it'd be best to shut it off and do that, and if I had an Eddie, he could be pulling the boards off the other end, but that just isn't what it is here. So do me a favor, don't leave any comments on how dangerous that looks. It's not as dangerous really as you think. So thanks for coming along. Do me that favor. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. See ya.